Hello everyone. In this video, we have learned how to create Google Slides in Google Drive. So, the Google Slides, it is an online presentation app that lets you create and format presentations and work with people. So, these are useful as when you're in a meeting or other things. So, to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now I have opened my Google Chrome. This is my Gmail account logged in. So I will be opening my Google Drive. Now for creating Google Slides, what you can do is you can click on New and click on Google Slides. Or you can also right click and just click on Google Slides. Now let's just try creating a Google Slides. Now just name it the demo presentation and let's just call it the basic Google Apps. We can use the subtitle as by Texture for you. So over here you can change your themes. You can add dark. You can add the themes you like. So now this is how you can create a demo presentation. If you go back over here, you will see that this slides has already been added. Now if you want this to be inside any folder, you can just simply drag it and drop it to a folder. Now it has been moved from here. Now if you go to this folder, now this demo presentation is inside this folder. Now if you want to create a Google Slides inside this folder, you can just simply right click and click on Google Slides. Let's just call it Texture for you. I need to cut the other things first. Okay, let's just type it again. Texture for you. So if I go back here, I will see a slide added over here soon enough. So you can see that the file and the Google Slide sheet has been added. So this is how you can create Google Slides in Google Drive. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to create Google Slides presentation in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.